for some homework help over the label identifying parts of an expression. We're going to review all of that vocabulary we went over in class today, and then look at an example of an expression and identify the parts. So, first things first is let's talk about what is an expression. An expression is an algebraic sentence that is composed of variables, coefficients, constants, and mathematical operations. So, in your homework, what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to look at one of these expressions and pick out each of those pieces. So, example of an expression is 3x plus 2. So let's talk about all of those individual pieces. The variable. The variable is a letter or a symbol that represents an unknown value. So in this example, x plus 2, the letter or symbol that represents an unknown value is x. We call that a variable. The coefficient. A coefficient is the number multiplied by, or it's the number that's in front of the variable. So if you take a look at this example, 3x plus 2, the coefficient, or the number that's being multiplied by the variable, is 3. A constant is a number in an expression that does not change. It's going to stay the same no matter what. So we have 3x plus 4. The only number in our expression that's not going to change no matter what is our 4. We're still going to add 4 no matter what x is. And of course, then you have your 4 mathematical operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. And those can look a variety of ways. 3x plus 2, we've got multiplication going on between the 3 and the x. And obviously we have the addition sign. 9x minus 1, we have multiplication happening between the 9 and the x, and then of course the subtraction. 17y plus 23, same thing. Multiplication between the coefficient and the variable and an addition sign. All right, so the last one we're going to talk about is a term. A term is an element or a piece of an algebraic sentence separated by addition or subtraction signs. So really it's just a piece of an expression. If you look at this example, we have 3x is a term all by itself. The whole thing together is a term because the whole thing is a component or a piece of the expression. 4 is a piece, so that's a term. 6x is a piece. Same with 2. So in this expression, we have 4 terms total. All right, so in this expression, we have 3x plus 9. So it says label each piece, okay? So the constant, the one that's never going to change, the one that's going to stay the same, is our 9, okay? Obviously, one of the mathematical operations is our addition sign, okay? Our variable is going to be x, and then the variable's coefficient is going to be 3. Okay, so take these math vocabulary words, look at the expressions that are given to you on your homework, and identify each part of the mathematical expression.